Weed mats can reduce ant traffic along garden footpaths for several seasons when chosen and installed correctly. High-quality polywoven or polypropylene mats that are treated for ultraviolet resistance provide the best long-term barrier because they resist tearing and ultraviolet degradation that causes brittleness. Install mats with a half-inch overlap at seams and secure edges with galvanized landscape staples spaced every 6 inches to prevent gaps where ants can exploit seams. Backfill the edges with compacted compost or fine gravel up to the mat surface so that the fabric is clamped and there are no exposed vertical gaps, and rake the walking surface to maintain an even cover that discourages bridges of organic matter. Check mats annually for holes, rodent damage, or exposed edges and repair small tears with landscape fabric tape or replace sections larger than 4 inches across to prevent ant ingress. Combine the physical barrier with cultural practices such as removing food sources like fallen fruit and maintaining a 3-foot clear zone free of dense mulch adjacent to the mat to reduce ant colonies nearby. Expect effective reduction in visible ant trails for about 3 to 7 years depending on product quality, sun exposure, and traffic, and plan for proactive maintenance rather than one-time installation. Common mistakes include selecting low-grade fabric that degrades quickly in sun and underfoot traffic, which leads to early failure, so always choose ultraviolet stabilized woven polypropylene rated for high abrasion. Another issue is poor edge treatment, where fabric is simply cut to fit and left exposed. Prevent this by backfilling and anchoring edges securely and checking for lifted corners after storms. Homeowners also assume the mat is a complete solution and ignore habitat factors, so pair the barrier with good sanitation and habitat reduction near the path to minimize nearby colonies and nesting opportunities. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like durable pathway installations and material choices so we can share experiences and find local professionals. Our site helps contractors find work and includes a discussion community where we exchange tips, product recommendations, and troubleshooting advice.